Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be rocking Abby's hair. This hair is from AliExpress. I will have all the links in the description box down below so you can check out this hair vendor on AliExpress. So let's get into the video, guys. Here's the wig, and this is the Abby hair from AliExpress. This is the Water Wave human hair wig. 180 density transparent lace frontal, and this is a 13 by 4 lace. As you can see, don't have that much part and not all the way to the back, and it has combs right here and combs in the back. And I already bleached the knots on this wig, and I just added a little foundation. I think I'm gonna add some more so it can match my skin. And this is like water wave here. Look at this, y'all. It's shedding a little bit, but this is pretty. Okay, AliExpress. I know people be so skeptical about ordering from AliExpress because I had a bad experience, but this seemed legit. I washed it already and the curls came back. And this is the Water Wave. Okay, so I'm just putting on my wig cap. I'm gonna put it under my ears, and I'm spraying it with Got to Be Free Spray. So this is gonna hold your wig cap down, and you just want to blow dry that until it's really dry. If you do not blow dry it and let that Got to Be Free Spray dry, then your wig cap will come up. And you can add as many layers as you like. And you want that free spray to be really dry. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut that thick band around the wig cap off, and my Got to Be Glue free spray is already dry. And you want to make sure that you have holes in your wig cap for your ears. Don't forget to make those holes for your ears. And you want to cut that thick band around the wig cap off. And I'm just putting foundation onto my wig cap so it can blend more when I put the wig on. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys that this method that I did with the wig cap is called the bald cap method, and it will make your wig just blend better and look more natural and blend into your skin perfectly. Okay, so I'm just making sure that my wig is fitted in the place that I want it. Make sure it's lined up with my hairline. And you want to pull your wig before your hairline. Not directly on your hairline, but like a couple of inches before your hairline. Because we're going to be adding lace glue to hold the wig down. And I'm just using my Ghost Bond lace glue, and I'm just going to add a thin layer right above my hairline, not directly onto your hairline. So basically like on your forehead. And I'm just gonna let that dry until it turns clear. Because if you don't, you will have white glue all on your lace. And you want to blow dry it to get it tacky. And I'm just taking my rat tail comb to hold the lace down. And to push the lace, well, to hold the lace down, basically. I'm just gonna add another layer of my ghost bond glue. Okay, so I am cutting my lace, and my lace glue is dry, so you can cut your lace. Yeah, and I'm just adding more ghost bond glue as needed, because you know sometimes those corners just want to lift up, so you know we gotta lay them back down and make that wig super flat. Now I'm using my pressed powder, and this is my MAC powder, and I'm the shade NC50, and this is just like a loose, kind of like a loose powder, a pressed powder. I'm gonna add that into my part so I could just make it look natural, and I'm gonna pluck my part just so your part can look as natural as possible. And I'm just taking my, I call it a slick stick and a hot comb, and just laying down the top of the wig, because I don't want it like super bulky. It was like bulky at the top, and it wasn't flat like the way I wanted it. I wanted it like super flat. Like I wanted this wig to look like it was coming out of my scalp, basically. Adding just a little bit of water to make those curls pop, with them waves, curls, you know, whatever, just to make them pop a little bit. And I wanted that wet look. Here's the fun part. I'm gonna be making baby hairs and sideburns, because you don't want a wig without, you know, baby hairs and sideburns, because it's gonna be whack. So I'm just, I just parted a little bit of the hair out that I wanted, and I'm using my eyebrow archer, your razor, and my Nairobi, what is it, mousse? Yeah, to just make some baby hairs and sideburns. And you can just cut them to your liking. And these baby hairs, you gotta like really work with them. You might not get it on the first try, you might not get it on the second try, but on the third try you might get it. Because it took me a long time to like really mold these baby hairs into the shape that I wanted them. And you want to always use your like a razor to cut your baby hairs, because you don't want like that straight across line with your baby hairs. You want it to look, you know, natural, like everything is coming out of your scalp. Look at that baby hair, boom. Oh, and I use a little bit of my Got2b glue just to hold those baby hairs in place. And I mean, they didn't go nowhere at all. finished my install with the Abby hair, and it is bomb. And I just wet it with a little bit of water, and I'm loving this hair, guys. If you want to check this hair out, you can go on AliExpress and look up Abby hair. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll be back with more videos for you guys. Bye.